next video, I'd like to do one on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and probably some of the other ones below that, the S23, the S22, any phone that can get the app called Good Lock. Okay, and here it is in the upper right hand corner called Good Lock. And the way to get it is go to your Samsung store, not your Play Store, your Samsung store. Then go and search, upper right corner, and search for Good Lock. And of course it's going to show that I already have it because I've already installed it, obviously. This is a really exceptional app. It's made by Samsung, so it's not going to interfere with anything. You're not doing something to your phone that's a third-party app. I would actually consider this an app that Samsung should put on their phones. It's so many things that you can do in addition to what's already on your phone. So this is this makes your very powerful phone very, very powerful. So keep this. There's going to be several things that I'm going to be going over regarding Good Lock, because there's so many options. There's so many apps inside this app, and you'll see what I'm saying shortly here. But once you get this app, what the whole gist of this video is, I want to map out the power button. That I know that another phone that's on the market now has a button that you can map out 4 or 5 things for that action button. This is amazing compared to that. So we want the whole key, or the whole object of this video is we're going to map out the power button to turn on the flashlight. So it's something very, very powerful. We're all in the middle of the night and you don't want to scroll down and look for the flashlight icon and turn on. You can press and hold your power button and bam, on comes a flashlight. So it's very, very handy. So anyway, to backtrack now, we want to install Good Lock. Once you have Good Lock installed, go ahead and start it. And we want to go to the Life Up. If you see at the bottom, there's apps for makeup, and these are all the different apps that you can do stuff with. We want and concerned with today Life Up. You hit the Life Up, and then you want to scroll down to Registar, and you're going to have to install it. And if you notice on my Notistar, see the download button, the icon, that's what will be on your Registar. Obviously my Registar is downloaded and installed, so I can show you in this video on how to do this. So it's not done on mine, but you're going to need to hit that download button and it'll install it. Then once it's installed, if you hit more, now I can add it to my home screen. I can uninstall it, go to the store. So we're just going to tap on it and go into Registar. And we're going to open it up, and we're concerned now with the very bottom one, side key press and hold action. Okay, so I have that on, so tap on that. Now, this is where you want to turn this on at the top, and I can map out all these different things. There's just tons of neat stuff to mess around with. So the one we want is turn on or off flashlight. So obviously I have that turned on. So now when I press and hold my power button, it turns on. I can't really show you very well, but it turns on the flashlight. You tap and hold it again, it turns off the flashlight. So it's really a cool function, especially on something important like a flashlight. Again, if you're in the middle of the night or you need your flashlight, you don't want to be sitting there fumbling with it, pulling the control panel down, looking for flashlight or whatever. This makes it real quick, just a tap and hold and on it comes. And if you don't like the flashlight, you can do other things. You can take a screenshot, you can turn on or off live caption, turn on or off rotate. You can also even open apps. On the very bottom here it says open apps. I have it set to none, obviously, because I don't want any apps opening, but you can, even if you use an app more than your flashlight, which I don't think many people probably would, but again, the flashlight is pretty important to have, especially on a smartphone. Since you have it and you have that option and it's there, why not make it so it's easy to get to it? And this is the way to do that. So I hope you found this video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my video. And until next time, I'm out.